Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to move fast. Enterprise enrollment ties the Chromebook to your organization, so first verify you are a Google admin and back up any local files. Once done, sign into admin. Google, open devices, Chrome devices, and search the device by serial. Make sure the device is online. If offline, get it on the network. Then select the device and prepare to deprovision. This is the first actionable step that removes the management link from the device record. Once you've located the device, choose More Actions and select Deprovision. You're doing two things at once, removing the device from the org record and scheduling a remote wipe so the Chromebook won't carry settings back. Make sure to check the option to wipe on deprovision, otherwise do a manual power wash after removal. If the UI does not show deprovision, ensure your admin role has Chrome device deprovision rights and retry. After initiating, proceed to factory, reset to complete the wipe. After deprovision completes, perform a power wash or follow on-screen factory reset steps and set up the Chromebook as new with an unmanaged Google account. Make sure you do not sign in with a managed account that would re-enroll it. Then confirm in the admin console that the serial is removed. If the device immediately re-enrolls, check that forced re-enrollment is disabled in admin settings. If that fails, ask the organization admin to release the serial or use Chrome OS Recovery to reinstall the OS before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.